Bullies never win. Told by Marguerite Collar. Retold by Kiki. Jessica worried day and night. She worried about a lot of different things. But the thing she worried about most is Brenda. Brenda bullied Jessica all the time. One day, Jessica tried avoiding Brenda by staying at home, but she couldn't do that forever. One day, Jessica's mom switched up Jessica's and Jessica's brother's lunchbox. Brenda laughed at her at school all day. After school, she came home and talked to her mom about what happened earlier that day. Jessica really wanted to stand up to Brenda. But will Jessica stand up to Brenda? Read Bullies Never Win to find out.